Well, hello again, everyone. My name is Jay. I want to welcome you out to the channel where I have the opportunity to help you to speak better English. I'm so excited about today's lesson. In today's lesson, I am going to give you simple sentences to practice speaking English. This is going to be part 3. Now, if you have missed part 1 and part 2, you can go back onto the channel and you can find those and you can watch those lessons and speak those sentences, and they will help you to become more familiar with various vocabulary and English words. Okay? Now, on today's lesson, I have about 9 or 10 sentences that we're going to go over, and I'm going to encourage you to watch today's lesson a couple of times so you can become more familiar with these terms and these words. Okay? So let's get into it. Thank you again for joining me. The first sentence, that is her doll. That is her doll. Our second sentence, my sister can drive. My sister can drive. Now, you can replace sister and you can use terms like brother, father, aunt, uncle, grandmother, friend, and say they can drive, okay? My sister can drive. The boy saw a deer. The boy saw a deer. It's one of my favorite animals I like to see. I like deers. I think those are some great, graceful and beautiful animals. The boy saw a deer. And for some reason, when we first moved into our home, we had deer in the backyard. Now they don't come anymore. Ask me why, I do not know. All right. Our next sentence. My phone has a map. My phone has a map. It's so amazing how about 10, 15, maybe 20 years ago, before cell phones really took off with the GPS, I used to use a street map, a paper map, to get around. And so, especially when we went on vacation, but you don't have to do that anymore. Your phone has a map. All right, our next sentence. Can you help me? Can you help me? So if you are in need of assistance, you could say to someone, can you help me? What time is it? What time is it? So if your battery in your watch has died or it needs charging, you don't have a phone, and you need to know the time, you would say, what time is it? Where do you work? Where do you work? So if you were asking someone about their occupation, what they do for a living, you would simply say, where do you work? Okay, our next sentence, and I have made a mistake here. It is hot today. It is hot today. It is hot today. So when you're talking about the weather or the temperature, you would just say, it is hot today. And our last simple sentence that you can use to practice speaking English would be, the dog is asleep. The dog is asleep. So if you're referring to a different type pet that you may have, you may say the cat is asleep, or the hamster is asleep. The snake is asleep. All right. So these are simple sentences that you can practice to help you speak English just a little bit better. So make sure you watch this video a couple of times, get familiar with some terms and words that I have used, and I know this will be a help to you. Now, if you know anyone else that is trying to speak better English, please share the video with them. Also, if you have learned something, give me a like. And be sure to stop by my channel and check out some of the other videos here too that you can check out that I have here on the channel that will help you to speak better English. Thank you so much for watching and taking time out of your day. Have a wonderful day, and may God bless you.